everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you never miss when I upload. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back for today's video. Today's video is going to be an eyeshadow look using the new Lacolorsberrykiss eyeshadow palette. If you like and enjoy these type of videos, keep watching. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a eyeshadow look using the new Lacolorsberrykiss eyeshadow palette. And as I showed in my previous video, which you should have already watched, I did a look using the Peach Fizz, and I also have Lemon Drop. So I will be doing a look using the Lemon Drop, but for today I'm going to be doing a video using Berry Kiss. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I have already did most of my makeup. I've already primed my eyes. Okay, I'm going to first go in with this pretty brown shade, and like I told you in the previous video, they don't have names, so I just have to go by the color shades, and I'm just going to pat that right into my crease. I'm not going to do a transitional shade because this palette does not have a light enough shade for a transitional shade. So, but I have already, I think, the concealer, and I set it with setting powder, so I think that will be enough. And it is very pigmented. I love how it's applying with this flat brush. I have really got into setting my concealer on my eyes with setting powder. I never really liked to set my concealer on my eyes with setting powder, but I've been trying to do something a little different, and I really like it. To me, it seems to make it last longer and not crease as fast. Look how pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be taking a little bit of this darker shade right here and placing it a little bit on the inside of that brown, just lightly patting it because I don't want it to be too dark, and I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit. And I'm just taking it on this all over eyeshadow brush that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag. Oh, that is so pretty. And it only takes a little because this shade is super dark. I'm a little bit scared to get too much on the brush. I'm scared it's gonna be super dark. Okay, and for my lid shade, I'm going to be taking these two burgundy shades. I'm going to first go in with the light shade, and then I'm going to put the darker shade on top. Now the metallic shades, you do have to bear down on those a little bit more. Okay, and I'm just going to take the back of that same brush on the clean side and go in with the darker shade and just put that, a little bit of that on top, not much. Just to try to bring it out a little bit more. Okay, and then for my brow bone shade, I'm going to take a little bit of this champagne color and just put a little bit, blend that out really, really good. It looks champagne, but it's really like a iridescent color, and you have to really blend it. I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used to set my concealer and blend it out so that it doesn't have too much of a shimmer. Okay, now I'm going to take my LA Colors liquid eyeliner. I'm going to create a wing. So that it will stand out a little more, which is really pretty the way it is, but I think I will do a wing this time. Okay, now I'm going to take my Covergirl Lash Splash Primer to set my lashes. Okay, and while that's drying, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to go in with this shade right here for my Waterline color. I'm not going to be doing a eyeliner. I have really been liking these looks without an eyeliner. Just eyeshadow on the waterline. To me, it is super cute. Now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Maneater mascara. I have been loving this mascara. I just love the way it fills out my lashes. It makes them look so long. It gives them a lot of volume. And I love the one for my bottom lashes. Okay, and for my inner tear duct shade, I'm going to go in with this pretty pink metallic shade and just place that right on the inner corner. Looks so pretty. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to be taking my IEnvy 3D Multi-Angle Volume Lashes in the number 116. And this is the way the lashes look. I love these lashes because they are super quick and easy to apply. You don't have to wrestle with them. They go on really easily. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will come back with the finished look and let you know what I think about the eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is the finished look. I really like this palette. The look came out super cute. So if you don't have the Lacolorsberrykiss palette, I really recommend this eyeshadow palette. I tried to use as many colors as I could, but I will be using this palette again. I really recommend it. It comes with 9 eyeshadow shades. So, and you can't beat the price. They were only $2.50. And they are really pigmented, as you can tell. Love it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you plan on picking up either one of these eyeshadow palettes. I highly recommend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your post notification bell so you never miss them when I upload. Share the video. Follow me on Instagram at MissHighMaintenance_33. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.